Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do unbox the Realme 5 Pro, and this is a 4GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage variant. There is a two more variants I believe in the market, and the main exciting feature about this phone is having a 48 megapixel quad cameras on the back. So let's quickly unbox this phone and let's see what this phone has to offer in this price range. And the color I have is the crystal green. So removing the plastic from the box, and you can see, and this 4GB RAM with the 128GB internal storage variant is costing around about 40,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And when we open this box, and there we have a little box which says, hey, welcome to the Realme family. And inside of this little box we have a quick start guide with a silicone case, and it is a dark silicone case, and you can see a little bit dark. Let's put the side here and let's quickly lift the phone up, and you can see Realme 5 Pro. Let's out the phone from this plastic, and here is the crystal green color, looks very beautiful. Let's put the side here and look at the charger, and it is a very big charger because this phone comes with a 20-watt fast charger right out the box. And you can see it says 5V with 4A rating, and you can see, and here is a cable, and nice to see we have a USB type C cable, not micro USB, with the SIM injection tool. So let's put all the stuff to the side and let's look at the device itself. So let's quickly boot this phone up, and on the right is having a only power key, on the top is having a noise cancellation microphone, on the left he's having a volume up and volume down rocker with a SIM tray. You can use two SIM card and one micro SD card at the same time. On the back is having a quad cameras on the back main. It is having a 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and last we are getting 2 megapixel for macro lens, LED flash and the fingerprint scanner. And the back design is look like a diamond cut design that we have seen on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. And here is a 6.3-inch Full HD IPS LCD display, not a Super AMOLED display. And again I have to say, and the back is very beautiful in this phone. I really like the back design language. On the front is having a 16 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture, and it is a Oppo UI, Realme UI. Let's go to the about phone and let's see an Android 9 right out the box, which is nice. And the color OES is having a 6 and 128GB internal storage out of 116GB is available for you with a 4GB RAM. And you can see, let's go to the display setting, and auto brightness sensor is also available in this phone, as well as a night shield feature. Let's look at the camera. On the back is having a quad cameras on the back, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel for macro lens. And you can see, if you want to activate the 48 megapixel, then you go in this area and activate the 48 megapixel. And you can see, let's quickly show you the picture of 48 megapixel that I am showing you. And you can see it is a very huge detail in this camera, and this phone is also comes with a ultra macro mode, and it is a macro. And you can see very interesting feature in this phone. And here is the ultra wide, and here is the normal in this phone, 8 megapixel ultra wide. On the back, on the front is having a 16 megapixel with f2.0 aperture, and the front camera is recorded up to Full HD with 30 frames per second. Let's look at the back camera, and the back camera is recorded up to 4K with 30 frames per second, not 60 frames. And some more feature in the camera department, and you can see night mode is also available in this phone, as well as the slow motion. And the back camera is also comes with a portrait mode, and it is also work on objects, not for only human, which is very nice with the help of 2 megapixel depth sensor. Let's talk about the battery life of this phone, and this phone comes with a 4085 mAh battery size with VOOC flash 3.0 fast charging with the USB type C on the bottom, headphone jack, microphone and the speaker. Phone will give you 1 day battery life without any problem. I also recommend this phone for gaming because the Snapdragon 712 chipset is very good for gaming. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the Realme 5 Pro. Let me know what you guys think about this new Realme 5 Pro. It is worth it. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see regarding the Realme 5 Pro. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.